yesterday because of best to analyze the market when we wake up very early in the morning. Then today, just trading. I've analyzed two already. So if you have any question, you can comment or you can send it here. This very short trading Swiss franc Australia. So currently, you're anticipating a buy, which the sellers are through the market. So how did I get my buys? So this is it here. This is a very strong rejection, doji candlestick rejection. So which means you are going to buy. So market is currently buying. So I missed the first entry, which was here as it hits this particular spot here. Then now you can see it's all going for a buy. So that is about a Swiss franc. So it takes us to the next one. Currently I'm in a drawdown. This is Euro New Zealand. You can see expecting a pushback up here, then a drop to that particular spot. So this is a mitigated block. So once this comes in, buy. Get a signal we can just take, remember. Usually get this is a signal or very strong signal. So now this takes us to the next one, which is pound dollar. So pound dollar has seen a very big fall. A very big fall on pound dollar. So we're waiting for retracement right back up. Once we get a retracement, which is a buy, you can enter the retracement if you want to enter. You can send a DM to join my free signal group. So this is just about this. The Canadian yen. You can see we're expecting a pullback to that particular spot. Then we buy. Simple as ABC. So that is it. If you have any question, you can just come to my DM. Thank you very much.